Now we will solve another question on addressing modes. This question was given in the year 2006. The question is all about which of the following addressing modes are suitable for program relocation at runtime. So this question is all about program relocation at a runtime. Now, see, what is program relocation at a runtime? As we discussed in the addressing modes, when you write a program, this program will have their own addresses within the program. But when it gets located at the runtime, this program can be located anywhere in the main memory. So if you want to call the addresses within the program, you can use any of the two addressing modes. One is relative addressing mode and one more is base register addressing mode. That is, if you want to jump to the appropriate location within your program, you can use one of these following addressing modes. One is relative and one more is base register addressing mode. For an example, in your program, 25th location to, you need to jump to 50th location. Now this 25th location is within the program when you are writing the program. But when it gets located in the main memory, you don't know from which location it is going to be stored. So for that reason, we use a base register addressing mode in which there is a base register. There is a base register in which your base address of the program will get stored. And the address part of the instruction will be added to the contents of the base register to branch to the appropriate location that is desired to be branched. So one is base register addressing mode. And another thing that you also know is we can also use relative addressing mode. What is this relative addressing mode? That is, the address part of the instruction will be added to the program counter value. The program counter value and the address part of the instruction will be added to branches to the respective location what we need. So in order to branch to the desired and appropriate location within the program, when this program dynamically gets loaded into the main memory, we use two addressing modes. One is base register addressing mode, one more is relative addressing mode. Okay. Now, I would like to give you an additional detail here, how the question may be asked in the gate. Okay. So you can be asked like dynamic relocation, the addressing mode that support dynamic relocation, the addressing mode that support self relocation, the addressing modes that support position independent code, position independent code. Okay, and all are one and the same. Either it could be dynamic relocation or self relocation, or it is position independent code, whatever you call, all leads to the same thing. That is, a programmer is storing his program in the main memory when it is getting executed. So in order to branch to the appropriate locations within the program, a programmer does require either a base register addressing mode or relative addressing mode. Okay, so either it could be called a dynamic relocation of the program or self relocation of the program or position independent code. Whatever you call, all will lead to the same thing. That is, a program is getting loaded into the main memory dynamically when it is getting executed. So there are two addressing mode that supports that. One is base register addressing mode and one more is relative addressing mode.